Hello, sexy RC people. So I have the DYS Pro V2 board and still had trouble with the spektrum. I would get the solid red light that it was bound, but then I had no stick movement in beta flight. So here is where you want to solder. Ground, positive, and next to TX3, right here, signal. Not here. The RX3 here, actually on the board, it's still swapped with TX3. It's mislabeled. So, ground, positive, and then next to TX3, right there for signal. And this is if you're using UART3 for signal, for your serial port. You can also use UART6. Here's the 6 ones, RX6T. I don't know if these are reversed because I didn't bother trying them. So again, here, and here for signal. Peace!